Alright, Jeffrey at Francis Road Farm. We just got done putting these new hives from Barnyard Bees into these boxes I already had. I actually got this bottom part from the Barnyard Bees store, and the top is what I've been making on my CNC machine, the Maslow. It got a little dark, a little late on us. As you can see, the sun's already gone. It's getting dark, but we just got this done. They all seem to be going in there just fine. We definitely saw the queen in this hive right here. While we were at it, we upgraded the split that I did in the fall with a queen from Barnyard Bees into that hive up there. I just have an empty box sitting on top of it. So they're good and strong. You can see them caked up on the front already. So everybody seems to be happy in their new home at the moment. The blue hive over there, which is a split I did early spring with no queen, seems to be laying eggs and has a queen, I think. We just briefly opened it. I need to open it when I got some good sunlight. But so far so good. Everything's looking pretty good here so far today. Thanks to David at Barnyard Bees for all the good help. I'm up to 5 hives this spring. Got the orange one over there still going strong. I probably need to upgrade it to a 8-frame box. I took the queen out of that one and put it in the purple one, which is sitting on the ground now, and just moved the purple bees into that box up there. So we're doing good so far. Thanks for watching. Jeffrey at Francis Road Farm.